Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bam, 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 bam. So today I figured I would do my first content video about skincare because it's something that I feel like it would apply to everybody. And I'm promise y'all, like I'm not exaggerating. These three skincare products seriously changed the game for my skin. Like it got rid of texture issues, got rid of acne, hyperpigmentation, my skin was smoother, you name it. These three skincare products alone do a lot for your skin. They just love your skin, okay? And I love y'all. So I play way too much. But anyway, seriously though, like I love these products and they work so well. So these skincare products can be used with just like your basic skincare routine of your cleanser and moisturizer, and you should have no issues. They're not going to disrupt anything else. Like if you have acne prone skin, like they should not irritate it or make it worse or anything like that. If anything, they're going to make it better. So like they're tried and true. All of these products are tried and true and they work well on everybody. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid plus B5. So the B5 and the hyaluronic acid together are essentially just going to moisturize your skin. They're going to bring hydration to the surface, and then the hyaluronic acid is going to seal that moisture in and make sure that it's actually deeply penetrating your skin, and it also is going to plump your skin. So this is the bomb.com. Like I love hyaluronic acid. Water and a good moisturizer alone sometimes just isn't enough to have hydrated skin. But if you add hyaluronic acid serum to your skincare routine, oh sis, you're good. You're gonna have no issues, okay? So yeah, you can literally use this on all skin types, whether you have sensitive skin, acne skin, doesn't matter. You can use this AM or PM. It's literally just adding moisture, nothing more, nothing less. That's it, that's all. The next product is salicylic acid. So the salicylic acid serum I have is also by The Ordinary. This product is actually an exfoliant. I know that's interesting because it doesn't look like one, but it's an exfoliant. So it's just going to go inside your pores and exfoliate them, which is going to make your skin look more clear. And the great thing about salicylic acid is that it's great for fighting the appearance of blemishes. Like literally, if I have a zit or a pimple and I put salicylic acid on it, within 3 days it's gone. We haven't seen her. We don't know where the zit is. What's it? It gets rid of acne very, very, very fast. And I have literally been using salicylic acid for a decade at this point. And that's literally why I've never had like really bad skin, because it works that well, y'all. Like I cannot exaggerate it enough. If you have acne problems, if you have textured issues on your skin, add salicylic acid to your skincare routine. It's going to clear up all of that. The only other thing I want to note is that it is a BHA, so you definitely want to make sure you are precautionary when you're using this and you have sun exposure, because anything that is a BHA is going to make your skin more sensitive to the sun, and therefore it's going to lead to sunburn. So definitely make sure that if you are using salicylic acid in the morning, that you put on sunscreen as well. But same thing for the most part, it's good for all skin types. The only thing is that if you do have sensitive skin, you might want to be a little weary. Maybe just put it on one spot, see how your skin likes it. If she's cool with it, keep on going. Broken skin. So yeah, like if you have some type of open wound or scar, definitely don't put salicylic acid over it, because that will irritate it. But overall, this salicylic acid probably over anything is my favorite product out of the three. And then lastly, Sunscreen. Sunscreen is another product that seriously really helped my skin. I'm not gonna go through all the ingredients that are in the sunscreen. Like, there's so many different ones. There's avocado. I literally can't talk today. There's avocado, jojoba. It's pronounced jojoba, right? That'd be really embarrassing if it's not. Carrot oil. Like, there's so many different ones. I'll have in the next clip all the different ingredients on it, but in general, this sunscreen is amazing. It's also a Black-owned brand, which is another reason why I like it. And you're not gonna get like that whitewash or gray purplish tint on your face. It's literally just gonna be like kind of sheen looking. That's it. So I love this. It's also very moisturizing. So if you think your skin needs more moisture in the summer, purchase it. The only thing I would note is, like, you know, never add like a bunch of different products to your skincare routine at one time. Just ease them in. Personally, if I were you all, like, I would add the salicylic acid to my skincare routine first. And basically what you want to do, use it for like a week or two. Make sure you're getting rid of all of your active acne, smoothing out the texture of your skin, just putting it at a good baseline of clarity. Then at that point, you want to add your hyaluronic acid serum, because that's then going to plump your skin. So serums are definitely tricky, but in general, once you find an ingredient that works well for your skin, keep using it. It's just that simple. You don't need 20 serums. I only have like no more than 4, and I don't use all of them all the time. Because the great thing about salicylic acid is, like, once it clears up your skin, you don't need to use it every day anymore. Like, you can just use it every once in a while, or like whenever you feel like your skin needs it, and you're good. But yeah, just kind of like add each product one at a time, and you should be good. And I mean, yeah, it's really just that simple. Like, there's nothing else to it. What was I gonna say? I remember what I was gonna say. The reason why, like, I really want to emphasize using sunscreen and adding that to your routine is that, like, if you suffer from hyperpigmentation, being out in the sun without like a sunscreen on is only going to lead to more damage, and it's only going to worsen your hyperpigmentation. So you definitely want to add this if you have hyperpigmentation issues or dark marks. In general, you need sunscreen literally every day, because even if you're not outside in the sun, you need sunscreen because you're also sitting in front of a screen. So definitely, like, do not overlook what a sunscreen can do. Like, it really does help your skin. It makes it healthy, makes it smoother, makes it have an actual glow because it's not damaged. Like, I love this stuff. So make sure you cop it for yourself. But yeah, definitely check out all these products, y'all. I would love to know, like, how they work out for you guys. Like, if you found that your skin was looking more clear, more smooth. In general, these are great, just like baseline products that are going to make sure your skin is healthy, it looks smooth, it feels smooth. Like, I love these products. Like, when I give skincare to people, I tend to pick some of these products to put in their box. Yeah, that's really it, y'all. It's just that simple. Get you a hyaluronic acid serum, salicylic acid serum, and a sunscreen, and you're really going to see a difference in your skin. So definitely let me know how it works out for you all. Literally, you cannot go wrong with these. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.